A young man was seen reciting only Durood Pak, Salat al Nabi, during Tawaf, instead of making other supplications. Someone asked him if he did not know the supplications of Tawaf or if there was any other reason. He replied that he could recite other supplications, but there was a particular reason for reciting Durood Pak, Salat al Nabi only. Explaining the matter in some detail, he said that he and his father left for Makkatul Mukarramah to perform Hajj. During the journey, his father fell severely ill and passed away. After a while, the face of his father turned black and his belly swelled. Saddened by this incident, he wept and said, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Alas, my father has passed away in a jungle far away from my country. When night fell, I fell asleep and had a dream in which I saw a beautiful and fragrant personality dressed in white attire. Approaching my deceased father, he stroked his refulgent hand onto the face and belly of my father. In no time, the face of my deceased father became brighter and whiter than milk, and his belly also normalized. As the saint moved to leave, I said, O my Lord, for the sake of the one who has sent you as a mercy for my father in this deserted place, please let me know, who are you? He replied, don't you recognize me? I am Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, the Prophet of Allah Azza wa Jal. Your father was an extreme sinner, but he would recite salat upon me in abundance. When he got into this trouble, he pleaded to me. Therefore, I have come to help him. I help every such person who recites salat abundantly upon me in the world. Subhanallah. Imam Ahl Sunnat, reviver of Sunnah, Mujaddid of Deen, Maulana Shah Imam Ahmad Rada Khan alayhi Rahmatur Rahman said in his beautiful couplet, Faryad ummati jo kare, हाले जार में, फरियाद उम्मती जो करे, हाले जार में, मुमकिन नहीं कि खैर बशर को खबर ना हो. So if you are in problem, if you are in illness, if you are in some difficulties, don't worry. Recite Durood abundantly. Inshallah, the Durood Pak will help you. So wherever you are in the world, now recite Durood Pak loudly. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.